Welcome to this short tutorial where you will learn how to make a chart using the dynamic builder. To start, we need to add an attribute to the points in the chart. Select all points and add an attribute to them of type number. Now you can go to the dynamic builder. Select the node triggered event and attach the button to it. We also need a counter to check the number of times we have pressed the button. Add an increment number variable response that will increment the counter. Add a scene node query source to select all the points in the chart using the attribute we made. Add a getNode attribute of type number response. Attach the scene node query. Now we need to store the numbers from this attribute. Select the setNumber variable response and create a new variable. Attach the value. Now we need to add a condition which will check if we have reached the value we need that is equal to the counter. Use the right mouse click to search for the getNode attribute of type sequence. Make sure you attach the scene node from the getNode attribute of type number, and not from the scene node query. These are the animations we will use. Now we can add a new attribute of type animation sequence. You also need to add a value to the lever to check which frame it is on. Note the lever animation has 100 frames. Now we can go back to the training builder and add the lever variable. Use the setSequencePlay range response to use the lever value as the end frame. Use the play sequence response. Make sure you attach the lever variable to a variable writer so you can see the numbers.